Dusty. Phew. We're getting down about halfway down the mountain. It's a bit loose, it's very dry, especially this year with the heat waves we're having. Normally it's a bit more groupy, but yeah, part of the fun. So basically around Verbier, Bruson mountainside, we have tons of trails like these. And there's also some shuttle companies I make use of to make the climbing a bit less tedious, because it is some big mountains, and then you get to ride about 6,000 or 7,000 meters of descent in a day, which is quite cool, especially when the lifts aren't running, so in between seasons. Whew. Nice. So they say best for last. This is the end of Col de Mille. Probably also one of the funnest parts. Let's go check it out. Your hands are completely destroyed. So a bit of a concentration run here. Woo. I don't really want to clip a rock because I think it's shit. Keep in mind, it's also hiking trails. Whew. And that's it, Col de Mille. Hope you guys enjoyed it, as I did. Lekker!